I'm currently in Akko in the northern part of Israel. This is about an hour's drive from Haifa in northern Israel, and this is one of the worst impacted areas. Whether it's Galil a little ahead or Metula, these are areas that are directly in the line of Hezbollah fire. Rocket attacks have happened just a short while back, and if you look all around, this place is virtually abandoned. A very, very bustling tourist town. This is virtually abandoned. This, of course, is the Arab quarter here. There are some men, of course, who are still staying behind. Most of the women and children have been sent to a safer area. The men are staying behind so that they can look after their property. They can look after this area. This, if you look right behind me, this is the lighthouse of Akko. This is the Mediterranean Sea just behind me. And just beyond, as the crow flies, barely 6 to 8 kilometers as the crow flies, is the area where the Lebanese forces in southern Lebanon are targeting this area. So we're directly in the line of Lebanese fire. And with me right now is Shlomi Haskell. And Mr. Haskell, if I may, Mr. Haskell is somebody who lives here in Haifa, has been living here for quite some time. He's a former Israeli Navy officer. So what can you tell me about the current situation here?
Now the situation, it's very bad. All the people stay at home, don't go outside. Actually, Saturday morning, hundreds of people go to restaurant and traveling. Nobody here. The street and the road, it's empty.
How
5-7 kilometers from here, nothing from here. It's a Lebanon border between. This is the border between Israel and Lebanon. We're gonna see there. We're gonna be there in a few minutes. Then we'll see what happens.
And the situation here also remains very tense.
Very, yeah.
People are leaving their homes and going to safer areas.
Yeah, it doesn't go outside at all.
So that's the situation right now. People are leaving this area. They're going to safer areas. If you look around, it's a very beautiful touristy part of Israel. It's an ancient city. Haifa, anyway, as you know, is a historic city. India and Haifa have a First World War connection. We'll talk about that in greater detail subsequently. But right now, there's clear and present danger of an addition of more missile strikes that are likely to take place in this area as Israel intensifies its operations against Lebanon, against Hezbollah in southern Lebanon. Gaurav Sawant at Akko, northern Israel.